Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Mommy's just behind me doing something really silly.
Good girl. Change your clothes.
And I was reading a book before.
Good morning, guys. Tingnan niyo mo. It is Thursday and Ate Paris is just having her breakfast here. Bibihisan ko muna tong isa para makaalis na kami for school.
So this is what I'm eating. Yogurt and strawberries. I like strawberries. And I'm just gonna take off one. It's not coming off. And guys, yesterday we saw Irene in my class, and she's gonna be in my class. I'm gonna be my aunt. She's gonna be a new student. And
Hi.
just right there.
Say hi. I'll just do her hair. Anak, keep eating, anak.
I am. I see.
Your seat. You're okay. You're gonna see. Celine is gonna see. Oh, see. So, it's Thursday morning, kaya meron ding playgroup si baby Celine this morning. You have playgroup this morning, La? Do you have playgroup this morning? Huh? Yeah? Are you excited? Daddy Mike work in the office today.
Mine.
Yung buhok ni baby Celine ba very
Mine.
buhay na buhay panindog.
Before I want to go to school,
Yeah.
I really wanted to make 3 sentences of an animal.
3 sentences.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a diagram under it so I can share this more with my friends.
Diagram? Wow, that's a bit too much for a prep diagram.
Nah, I know.
I know, you know how to do diagram?
These are only the choices that we can do. Koala, which I don't want to do a koala.
Ito yung suot ni mami niyo today. Ayan. Alam niyo ba, very excited na ako guys kasi meron tayong ganap tonight. Daddy Mike works in the office. Well, dapat sana from home siya today. But something's wrong with his laptop kaya kailangan niyang magpunta ng office. But he will come home around lunchtime. And yeah, so tonight merong ganap si mami niyo guys. So sa playgroup ni baby Celine, meron silang parang mom's night na dinner. Meron silang inorganize na dinner with the moms. So the babs ay iiwan sa mga dads. Ang mga mom ay magdi-dinner. And I'm super excited guys because I've never been into one since talaga. Yung mga moms group, hindi ko talaga nanuhan yung nighttime na yan. But now, Daddy Mike agreed. Daddy Mike said like, yeah, he can look after the kids while mommy goes for dinner with the other moms. And
I forgot.
it doesn't happen all the time, you know? Like, very first time na dinner with the mom and like just dinner without the kids.
Mommy! It's
Yes.
Mommy's first time.
Yeah, are you excited for mommy?
Yes.
See, I'm very happy guys kasi Ate Paris like understands. Like, she's not like crying, oh, mommy's going out, ganon. Like, they're happy to stay with daddy for 7 o'clock kasi yung dinner guys. So, we'll just say it's not far from here as well. Malapit lang din doon sa... Yes?
We'll be here at 7.
Playgroup namin. So, it's 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes, 6 minutes drive. You know, just dinner, typical dinner. So, 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Ganyan. And then, we'll come home, you know. So, super excited for that tonight. But for now, we'll just get the kids ready so we can go to school.
School.
Big lang. You're a big girl. You should have a big mouth. You want some, Lee? Yogurt? Lokoy. Want some yogurt?
Mama, Mom,
What is it?
do it here.
Okay, girls. You're doing very well. Find the key. Nana, looks like you've got like a white mustache.
Who?
Amy,
Me too.
let me have a look.
A little mustache.
B. Smells good. Ang batang iniiwan yung sapatos niya sa sasakyan. Lin! Where's the car? Where's the car?
Here.
What's that? That's not your garage. Itaka ka. Huh? Not your garage. This way.
I know. Here. Tommy's right.
Well done, Ate. Come on, go.
I'm here.
That's right, sweetheart. Good job. Okay. Go in. Go in.
But that's cheating.
What's cheating?
That's cheating.
You got it right first, honey. So.
The toe.
What'd you say?
Down.
What'd you say?
Sling just cheated.
You said it first. Okay, you're the winner.
Yeah.
All right, Ling Ling. This way, Baba. Hey.
Yeah, I was bang my face.
Okay. Mama. Ay, Paris ka nimo. That's why, because you have it the other way around. Kalami, igin nimo, anak. O, galisod paglakaw, kay bali ang chinilas. Do you need help, Lynn?
No.
Shush, no. Sit down na tayo, nak. Come on na tayo.
I have paper.
Seatbelt on. Come on. Alam niyo ba ngayon, guys? Ate Paris put her seatbelt on by herself now. And on and off, she's a big girl.
I can even turn the light off.
I know. Such a big girl you
Can
are.
you read a page for me?
Lini, where are you going? Sholongkoy. Agay. Walahi, ginigbangag ng manghura ni. Here! Uy. Here. Here's your seat.
No.
Kakarating lang namin dito, guys, sa labas ng playgroup ni Baby Celine. Nakalimutan ko. Hindi pala ako nag-lotion. Buti na lang talaga meron akong mga dala dito sa sasakyan. Like, you know, extras. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko mag-sunscreen, mag-lotion. My God, lumalabas si mami niyo dry ang skin. Especially kapag nagmamadali na, guys, nakakalimutan na. So, mag-lotion muna tayo. We're here, my love. Langga. Bili muna kami ng kape, guys, sa cafe. Diyan. Maglalagay rin si mami niyo ng sunscreen. Come, Papa. Say morning.
Mommy.
What? What did you say? Did you say manus?
Yeah.
Say morning.
I thought, like,
Where are we?
no, they're out.
Where are we? Where are we going?
They're out.
Out. We're going to play.
No.
Playgroup.
No.
Yes.
The play.
Yes, we're gonna play. And then spray. Lagi ginawang ano naman tong... Oh. Yung sasakyan, ginawang ano na, tawag dito, guys?
Here.
Bathroom. Ay, here.
Here.
And the bag of the day.
Nuts.
Ding! Super cute.
Didi.
Ding! I love you. Come na.
Didi.
Didi man po diya, right? Madungog-dungog mo na yung manak. We'll go get coffee first, okay?
No.
Yes.
Play.
No, we have to go get coffee first. We can't play without the coffee. Yeah? Come on, let's go. Tingnan you guys. Coffee for more. Whoa! Whoa! Good one. Get up. Oh, yeah. Put the baby to sleep. Bulingit ng mga anak. Bibi pupo! Okay, Mama will. Woo! 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 Oh! You're so high. You're so high.
Mama, sit.
Mama, sit here.
Yeah.
Okay, I will. Agree. Just colored. It's too small, my love. It's tiny. Mama can't fit.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Up! This is what I really like here, guys. Meron silang mga ganito sa labas. So, especially when it's not raining, they can play outside and it's obviously child-friendly. Hindi ako natatakot pa. Maybe Celine, akit dyan. Oh, it's okay because it's not too high. Yes. Everyone's loving Celine's dress.
Mama.
Sabi ko, ROI na talaga to siya, return of investment. Kasi ilang beses na yan sinuot, kay Ate Paris pa yan. Whoa! That was a bit fast. That was a bit fast. Again? What is this, Baba?
House.
House. What color is the roof? Honey, what color is the roof?
Yellow.
Ah, well done. What color is this, Lini?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this?
Blue. Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Red.
What color is this?
Red.
Red. Good job, girls. Red. Red. Well done. That's right.
Yeah.
That's red as well.
Yeah.
That's red as well.
Yeah.
What is that? Blue. Blue. It's nap time. Bilis niya magising. Pinatulog ko siya, guys, para makapagluto ako, makakain ba. Hala! Hindi pa ako natapos, anak. Gising ka na, anak. Oh, so kilala. Hello. Hello. You want some? Uy! You want some mango?
No.
No, mama na lang eat the mango, be. Look. So yummy. Hang on. Stay there. I'm making this one. The roti. Nag-start ko pala akong kumain kanina, guys. Yung ginawa ko is yung butter chicken with rice. Sabi ko, gawa ako nito. Kasi pwede ko man ito siyang gamitin para ganyan sa butter chicken. Delicious. And then, nakain si baby Celine. And then, it's time to pick up Ate Paris na naman. Ganyan lang ang ating buhay, guys. Grabe, bilis ng oras. Uy! Careful lang. You might pull your tooth out. you love me. We are happy family. With a great big hug and kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me? Josh, hot doon ka karong bi. Humot man na bi. Uy. Okay, okay. Where's my thing?
It's here.
Here. Here. There's that.
Mama. Huh?
Uy. Matahong ang tahong ni Carla.
A few moments later.
What's up, Inday? We are going to pick up Ate Paris now, guys. Wala, mainom na. Ayun na. So it's now 2:30 in the afternoon. And Celine is looking real cool. Oh, that is right here. Always in the fun, guys. Work.
The weekend shifts to the weekend shifts.
Come. Josh, very cute. Josh! Na nag-work si Daddy Max sa office kasi kailangan niyang ayusin yung kanyang computer ay yung kanyang laptop. Tapos uwi siya ng hapon. Yay! Where's our car? Where's our car? Wow! Can you see our car with your studies on? She loves it. She's not taking it off. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're not taking it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Oh! You took it off!
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you go in first.
Slice.
Okay, you want it on? You want it on? Put it on properly. There you go. Look at mommy. Tuck your lid. There you go. Come on. Go in now. Ate Paris is waiting. Ay, Celine ka niyo, anak. Liwat kasi mong liwatan. We went to the bakery after picking up Ate Paris from school, guys. Dito na kami sa bahay, sa balcony. This one here. Shh. What are you eating, nak? Shakoy. Mama's got shakoy as well.
What do I have?
Yours is shokoy.
Same.
Can you say shokoy?
Chocolate.
Shokoy. Mine is shakoy, yours is shokoy.
Oh.
Celine is looking over that bakodo.
Oh, yeah.
Nak, are you ready to go to childcare now?
Can I do?
Careful, please.
No.
Careful.
No.
Paris, what's her name then?
I'm not sure. I forgot.
She remembers you. Careful.
Understand.
Tingnan niyo.
I fixed it.
While I was getting ready to the bathroom, guys, I could hear these two playing.
Can I have it for me?
And I am so proud. They're very gentle to each other. Like, Ate Paris like, oh, you stay here, Lean, in our house. Ate will come back soon, okay? Soon. Is that your house?
No.
No!
Not the Auntie.
Naughty, ate.
No.
Nabalag nag...
You.
Lululul.
Grandma.
Look at her, ate. Look at her, ate.
Yeah. You.
Nakapagbihis na pala si mami niya, guys.
Okay.
Here's my pa-aura for tonight. Ayan, nakapag-makeup na ako. And then, this is what I'm wearing. Straight ko lang yung aking hair. Ayan. But it looks like this. Look. Heels pa more. And then, back! Bongga. Ayan. I love my pa-outfit for tonight. Ribbon ba ka mo? Yan, I'll give you a ribbon. Super nice. I like it. Ate Paris, do you like Mama's outfit?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah?
Yes,
What do you...
Mama.
Oh yes, Mama put his in. What do you like about it, sweetie?
Me.
Ate, what do you like about it?
That it looks beautiful.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
You.
Thank you, Anna. It suits Mama.
You. Me.
Yan, pa-makeup natin. Yeah, contour na contour.
You have to wobble. You have to
Why
wobble.
stop spitting on me when you're talking?
You have to wobble and then we can't fall down. We have to wobble and we can't fall down.
Okay.
Sip.
I don't.
Sip. Can you bend your knees? Sip.
Yeah.
Sip! Sip!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I did not fall down.
Oh! Lady! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Alis pa ba ako, guys? Alis pa ba ako?
Slip!
Yeah.
Tell Daddy to sleep.
Sip. Sip. Oh, a cup. I did not fall.
A cup?
Akap!
Sip and a cup. Get your leg off me, ha?
Kana. Eating kana.
Sip.
Sip.
Reverse.
Sip!
Wake up, cap! I did not fall down. I did not fall
Still
down.
6:15, guys. And alam niyo ba, ang ating Daddy Mike is still working. Ay, sabi ko, enough na. Kasi, he's very, busy. As always naman, guys. He's very busy with work. But, ever since nag-step up siya sa, yung, na-promote siya, sobrang stress na niya. And it's very like, work.
See what mommy's ordering.
Inanuhan ko siya na ganitong oras. Tapos na talaga. Here!
I don't do that.
Yes, ma?
Did you order Nando's?
That is.
Do you want Nando's? Stop scratching, yeah?
What did you wish for?
That my teeth will come out tomorrow when it's brain break time.
How
Let's
would
go.
you like that? I would want my tooth to come out.
I want it.
Oh, you look weird.
No, I like the tooth fairy to come. That's why.
Okay. Shut it down to your teeth. You be good to Celine, okay? Oh, mommy's that. Okay?
Mommy?
Oh, my
Are you excited for me?
Paris, Mama's going to the club.
Where's the pink?
Mama's going to the club.
But where's the pink string?
She's forgotten about being a parent tonight.
Mom, where's the pink string so I can make the necklace? Where's the pink?
Yeah.
Oh, the pink one.
I used that one.
Huh?
Did you... Have you ordered?
No, I haven't. You gotta go check out.
You check it out.
You do. We'll check you out.
My, where's the pink one? I can see a pink one. I see it. Mama, I can still I can still
Yung people ko, andyan talaga.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
where's the pink string?
Pink string?
Yeah.
I'm not sure where the pink string is lang.
Then,
Nene!
then you can use this.
Nene! Is Miss Lini, diba?
But do you know where some? I'm getting a necklace.
Lini, girl, where's your nappy na?
My oh, you found it. Oh, you found it.
You're very dramatic. Lang. Oh, you found it. This is the shoes that I'm going to wear tonight.
My.
Floral. Ano?
Can you give me some?
Black slingback.
Can you please give me some tape?
And kitten heels.
Can you give me some tape?
Tape?
Yeah.
Tape for what?
So I can stick this.
Baby, okay, Daddy?
Please?
Because I'm gonna make my animal like this. My big
Mama,
dog.
where's your nappy? Go get the nappy cow.
Gotta get?
Mom, tape. Mom,
Bam. Isi Bambam.
Mom, do you know where clear tape
Palangga mo na ni Mama. Ay, baby. Just parked the car there. And I'm just gonna walk. Walang park sa harapan eh. See guys, yan yung park na pinupuntahan namin. So, very close lang ako sa bahay. But I'm telling you guys, it feels strange walking around without the kids. Sanay na sanay si Mami nyo na yung mga kids nandito. Diyan lang ako kami, hindi kami magdi-dinner. So, alam niyo yung kung saan nanonood si Daddy Mike ng kanyang UFC fights? Diyan lang din. So, if ever na, you know, I need to go home, which I know that he's got it all under control, and then I can just go home. 6 minutes drive. You're much younger than me, so what was the music? I am home. Kanina pa pala. Pero pagkarating ko dito, pinatulog ko si Ate Paris. Ngayon lang ako nakalabas ng bedroom. Kailangan ko nang tanggalin ang aking contact lens. It was a good night, guys. I really enjoyed it. I realized na it's good din naman pala na you have time. It's for a couple of hours. You know, with other moms. Kasi, like you have time to like talk about everything actually. So the other mom was saying kanina na, she's not gonna talk about kids and all that kasi it's mom's time. Talk about something else. But guess what? We ended up talking about our kids anyways. So yeah, it was great. I really love it. Umuwi ako 9 o'clock. Daddy Mike sent me a message that Celine was crying looking for me. So yeah, 2 hours. And it was just like talking. Dinner, nag-order kami ng dinner. Hindi na nga kami tumayo, guys. Like dinner, chika-chika, and then stand up, and then home. That was it. But it was a great experience. Hindi ako nakapag-dinner with, other, like, mom's group when we were in Melbourne. Nung si Paris pa yung anak ko. We didn't really, like, go out during the night. And we didn't really go out without the kids. So this was the first time in 5 years na parang lumabas ako without the kids for, like, dinner and that. So pagkarating ko dito kanina, si Baby Celine ay nakatulog na. So I think she was just crying because she was sleepy. So, pagkarating ko, pumasok ko kaagad sa bedroom and she was already sleeping. And Ate Paris was there. She's waiting for me. So, ayun, pinatulog ko na rin si Ate Paris. And ngayon lang ako nakalabas ulit kasi pinadedi ko si Baby Celine. Nagising siya. So yeah, anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. I will do a quick shout out before we end the vlog. Shout out to Susan Villar, Sweet Shy Kulit, Wise, Maricar Castaneda, Giselle _14, Carmen Lu, Cyril Couple Vlog, Ashik Life, Yet Palino, Jamila Kawaja, Mercy Narito, Rochelle Pacana, Laika Ibana, Eleanor Tanutan, Rosana Mansueto, Victoria Baptista, Angelina Ledesma, and Josephine Gimparo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.